Hello students, I am Bhimesh, math teacher. Today I am going to discuss about mensuration. In mensuration, prove that area of circle equal to pi r square units. Before going that, what is mensuration? Yes, the subject of finding areas and volumes of geometrical figures is called mensuration. Okay, some geometrical figures, rectangle, square. If you find the areas and volumes of some geometrical figures is called mensuration. Yes. Similarly, we can find the area of the circle. What is the definition of circle? A circle is a set of points which are equidistant from a fixed point in the plane. The fixed point is called center of the circle. The fixed distance is called radius of the circle. The line segment joining any two points on the circle is called chord of the circle. Yes. The line segment joining any two points on the circle is called chord of the circle. If any chord passing through center of the circle is called its diameter. In a circle, how many diameters can be drawn? Infinite diameters can be drawn in a circle. Yes. If you observe in this circle, how many diameters I drawn? Here I drawn 8 diameters. How many I drawn? 8 diameters I drawn. Infinite diameters can be drawn. Okay. Next, what is the circumference of the circle? The length of the circle is called its circumference. Circumference means the length of the circle. Yes. Next, sector. If you observe in this circle, some sectors are there. So, what is the meaning of sector? What is the definition? Sector is the region bounded by an arc of the circle and two radii joining center two end joints of an arc. It's called sector. See, this is sector. The region bounded by an arc and two radii joining center two end joints of an arc is called its sector. So, today we are proving area of the circle equal to pi r square units. Okay. Circumference. What is the formula for circumference? C equal to 2 pi r units, where pi is equal to approximately 3.14 and 16 and so on. Pi is a constant. That the ratio between circumference and its diameter is pi. Yes. So to prove area of circle, I am taking one circle. Let us take a circle. Let us take a circle. This circle can be divided into some equal sectors. See here in the figure, I drawn some sectors. Okay. So in this circle, the circle can be divided into some equal sectors. So each sector can be arranged. See, let us take this sector. So take all these sectors and arrange in the following way. Okay, if you arrange all these sectors in the following way, you will get one shape. What is that shape called? That shape nearly gives a rectangle. Okay, if you observe here, all the sectors can be arranged in this shape. The arrangement nearly will give a shape of rectangle. Okay, so in the rectangle, what is the length and breadth? If you observe all these sectors arranged here, we will get here one rectangle. So you know that the breadth of this rectangle is its radius only. Radius, yes, it's radius only. Radius. What about length? The length is nothing but, see here, let us see. This is the circumference of the circle, length of the circle. This length only we arranged in this shape. See, this length is, see here, exactly of, yes. So length is half of the circumference. See here. See this half of the circumference. Yes. It means length equal to 2 pi r by 2. Half of the circumference. So 2 cancel. It is pi r. So pi r units. So length of the rectangle and the breadth is its radius only, r units. This is pi r units, this is r units. Now area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. So this is equal to pi r into r. This is equal to pi r square units. Therefore, area of circle equal to pi r square units. Okay, where pi equal to 3.1416 etc. so on. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.